Hi guys, I am so excited. Today we're going to make a diamond out of flower puzzle. Please like, please subscribe, and please write some commands. So first, they look like this. We get them from Amazon in Turkey. We stick it into a double piece. Then we stick it into a triangle. Then we stick it into a diamond, but we're going to use it like this. Then we stick it into a half circle. Then we'll stick it to a little bitten circle. And then we'll stick it like this. So all we ever need to do is do it like a circle. I'm giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Did you guys do it? Okay. So I will get another small blue and then put it like this. Just like this. Guys, can you try to do it? Okay, just get one color you want and put it in the tip of the circle, and then it's a small diamond. But we're gonna make this diamond even bigger. So I put one here. You know, it's not looking like a diamond right now. And now I get another piece. Now put it like down. It's getting even bigger. It's multiplying. Woo! It's now getting even bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I multiplied it like this. And now it's a bigger diamond. I'm gonna get some more blue. Okay, I'm gonna make it, then show it to you guys. Okay, guys? And don't forget to subscribe in the end of the video. And you know, it's not looking like a diamond right now, but I know what we're gonna do. I got 2 more and put it like this. You know, it doesn't look like diamonds again, but now I'm going to use some whites. It's going to be like shining. My diamond, I never did a diamond like this, but I had 3 videos, but we just erased one. So this means it's shiny. See? Now we'll continue getting some blue. And it will look like this. How does it look like, guys? This is how we make a diamond out of flower puzzle. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, and please write some commands. Bye! I love you guys.